So I'm coming to you today, guys. As you know, I'm the owner of ZML Exterior Home Care. I never climbed a tree before. And which way this goes? And it's always been something that I wanted to do, but I always had someone that'll climb for me, or I'll have a lift. But I'm taking it upon myself to give it a shot. So, as you can see, I went out and, hold on. As you can see, went out, got me some climbing equipment. I'm not gonna go through brands and names. This is literally documenting first day of ever trying to climb. So that's what this is all about. Giving it a shot. So that's what we're gonna do. So, first thing first, this is honestly my second time ever putting on a climbing belt. First time I put one on, I was pretty terrified, so I took it off. And you know, the strangest thing is that I'm not afraid of heights. You know, not afraid of heights. I go up sometimes, 50, 60 foot, in a lift, but I know that's totally different from climbing. So, like I say, I honestly don't know if this is something that I'm gonna start doing full time, you know, for us the business and stuff. But I do know I would honestly just love to learn. So we're gonna give it a shot. And hold on. Nope. That is right. All right. So this is my main climbing line here. This is the one with the wire. And this here is my secondary. So first and foremost, we're gonna get rid of the secondary line for now, okay? I don't think we're gonna need it. We're gonna get our Spurs on. And once again, this is no editing, guys. I'm going for it on camera for the first time. So I see this one says right. So we're going to put it on the right foot. Nope, that goes on the inside. All right. Now this is my first time ever putting on Spurs. But like I say, we're going to give it a shot. Now, honestly, I do not know how this shit here goes. Excuse my language. I think it's something like that. Alright. Honestly don't know. But if they're tight, you can't go wrong. Alright. This is for the left foot. These are just the spur covers here. So put them there. This is for the left foot. And like I say, I own ZML Exterior Home Care, so I'm somewhat knowledgeable of trees. But and I want to learn. And if you want to learn something, got to take action. All right, so we got our helmet on. I don't think it's really important this time if this is up or down. I'm not cutting anything. Got my trusty langet here. So this right here, big corporate. Okay. I think I'm a little too close. Adjust that a little bit. All right. Here we go. Nope, that ain't it. All right. I always say start off with baby steps. I do want to be closer, but for right now, this is my first time. And they say you want to stay in as straight as you can with the tree. Right? This belt is a little uncomfortable, but we're not going to go too high. We'll go up. All right. I think now I'm maybe about 6 or 7 foot. So now we're going to try to descend. All right, so I want to pull myself in, bring the rope down a little bit. But I want to keep my feet straight. I mean my legs straight. I don't want to bend. I don't want to be bowled up in the tree. So now, come forward. Got to get a little bit better with that. But I'm stabbing this tree, guys. I'm not trying to brush up against this tree in any kind of way. That ain't correct, but I think how do you get this fucking thing tighter? That's where I want to be. A little too loose. That's about right. Pretty. Once again, I'm not afraid of heights. It's my first time ever doing this, so I am a little nervous, but I'm pretty confident I can do it if I just continue to talk to myself and go over the basic stuff that I have seen other people do and basic stuff that I've seen online. So So I'm gonna come down some, because I don't want to slip too far. I'm gonna come down some, and I'm gonna practice rotating. So might be stabbing the tree a little too hard. doing, try to work on keeping them legs straight. So I buzz. Feeling pretty good. I definitely want to get comfortable going up and down before I put a saw in my hand, before I make any cuts. I want to make sure I'm comfortable going up and coming down. As far as cutting the limbs, that'll be a little challenging because I'm used to doing it from a lift. But my biggest thing is going up and down. As far as cutting these limbs, but definitely with a pine tree, most leaves are just straight. You don't have them forking off and all them other kind of directions. But as far as with a pine, I'm pretty confident. I'll make that top cut kind of shallow, let it peel down on the side of the tree. Make sure it's not getting caught up in anything. I'll do a low cut, drop the bottom of the lead, come up, drop the top half. Some of them you might be able to flick off. But once again, I want to get comfortable going up and down the tree first. But I don't think something's right here. Is my belt too low? I want to be like right there. Okay. Now, okay. Back is aching for some reason. Feels pretty good. Feel pretty good. I feel pretty good, guys. Once again, before I put a saw in my hand, before I get any cut in, I want to capitalize on coming up and descending. All right. We did it. Yeah. So pretty much, I just wanted to document my first time climbing. Like I say, guys, I don't have a trainer. I don't have nobody out here with me. So we're gonna capitalize on taking baby steps. But once again, guys, this is ZML with ZML Exterior Home Care, where we specialize in pressure washing, the art of soft washing, and tree removal. Peace.